Really?
Because he emanates a lot of fumes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know about this one.
But no,
Is that the imagery you get?
She's way prettier. No, not the imagery.
Oh.
No.
Oh, just the name.
Just when you say fumes.
Oh, okay.
Fumes.
Well, this is a Bandai figure.
The figure.
Which is like the action figure that we normally look at.
Yep.
This is a character from one of the Gundam series.
This one.
Yes. So which one is this?
This one. I don't know which one it is. Builder series? Or the fight series?
Build Divers.
Build Divers.
Mm.
I'm glad that you can read Japanese.
It's a bit hard though. I haven't got my glasses. I was squinting and it still didn't look right. But yeah, these things. This is just in. I've probably seen these before, but let's have a closer look.
I have not seen it before.
Haven't you?
No. She's got lots of friends too.
She's got lots of bits.
There's
Extra bits.
Yeah.
Did they clarify it?
Big bits.
So she's got a lot of weaponry, and then that's without.
Out weapons.
So she's wearing a, I guess divers, so that must be a wetsuit. Looks like a wetsuit, doesn't it?
You know, I'd go swimming in that.
Would you? There we go.
Oh, she's got different face plates.
Yes.
Comical.
Yes.
Comical.
Yes.
They've all got the all of them got a surprise face in one of the faces, haven't they?
All of them? That's not surprise.
No, that one's not. That one's not surprise.
Oh, you mean in all of them?
Yeah, there you
go. Surprise one.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, there's a tongue.
The tongue?
Yeah.
Stick the...
That bit right there.
Oh, there you go.
All right, what else we got?
Beautiful skin tones, by the way. That Sonic Bandai, their absolute color palette is phenomenal, isn't it?
Well, their figures have got different skin tones as well. There's like A, B, and C tones.
That's right. It's bloody incredible. The detail, the level of detail in their polymers.
Colors there. Got the hair parts here.
So can you buy option parts for this girl as well? Is that one of the girls that has option parts? Or
well, the 30-minute sisters are the ones with the option parts.
Oh, okay.
So I've got a feeling that they may not be that easy to put on here, but I'm sure you could adapt it. They may not just clip in, as you would expect from a 30-minute sister. But there's a lot of bits.
A lot of bits.
So these are 12 scar. So you can use these in a radio control car too, and they'll look all right. But this is just one of the Bandai I picked. But we've got so much Bandai, we don't even have room out the front for it.
How much Bandai?
Well, we've got the same amount out the back.
How much?
How much? What is it? Like 4 pallets of the stuff out the back?
21 cartons.
Mm.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. It is a lot.
It's a lot.
Right. So if you want Bandai, check out our site.
There's a very good chance that we have it.
That's right. Fact, so it is Black Friday, and we do have Black Friday deals, particularly online. Yeah. You'll see that we've got coupons. There's 4 coupons available.
Coupons and vouchers and stuff, right?
That's right. And there's also our regular things on sale as well. So check it out.
I saw one for like $1,000 and like you save $200.
Yeah.
Mental.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. Yeah. And you know, if you're into this sort of stuff,
you
get a few of these, and RC car will be easy, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
There you go.